Guys, welcome to Dots and Dashes again. And I've not had too good a week, but how about yours, Prakash?
My week's been okay, Lynn. Weather's improving. It's supposed to be a nice week coming week, so back to the nice hot temperatures, which I like, because last week was diabolical.
Wasn't it just?
Yeah, I can tell you a story about what happened on Monday, if you're interested.
Yeah, go on. What did happen?
You know, I go Tai Chi Monday afternoons, and the Tai Chi class Monday afternoons outside. Where used to go in a place called Hodel. But recently, because the Hodel place is being renovated or they're doing some work there, we're going to another place called in Everton, which is another couple of miles away.
Right.
So it's a gravel pitch. It's like where, you play petanque. Petanque,
Yeah.
So we have do our Tai Chi classes on there. Now, Sunday and Monday, it must have rained really heavy. But when we went to Tai Chi class, it was dry. There was a big water puddle right in the middle of the gravel pitch. So we had to do Tai Chi in a circle. I mean, this is different. And we're doing Tai Chi walking. Have you ever seen people doing Tai Chi walking?
No, I haven't.
It's quite good exercise, actually. It keeps you mobile, gives you a lot of flexibility. But
Yes.
just doing, it was so funny. We tried to do it's like doing have you ever seen Indians do rain dance on
Oh,
movies?
yes. Yeah.
Similar sort of thing. We're doing Tai Chi walking around the puddle. Yeah,
no.
so, yeah. And the next day the class was inside, so which is good, Tuesday. So, yeah, and apart from that, I went to Rotary on Thursday, which was good meeting. It was our AGM. And, yeah, apart from nothing much, as I've been doing some, I told you about gold trading a couple of weeks ago.
It's
About
cold,
gold
yes.
trading.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
I'm doing quite well with that, actually. I mean, I'm quite pleased with it, right? So moving away from affiliate marketing into doing that sort of trading, see if it works for me. At the moment, it's just a demo account I'm working on. I haven't done real money because I've got to learn about it first. But it's quite enjoyable. It gives something different to do.
Yes.
Yeah. So just keeps your mind active. What about you?
We used to play the stock markets years ago, but got fed up with it. Mind you, I didn't win and I didn't lose.
That's good.
More or less came out just a little place.
Yeah, I did CFDs and spread betting going about 15 years ago.
Yeah.
And I lost quite a bit of money there. And it's just mugs game. But this obviously is a demo account. I won't put real money into it. Just practicing. I'm doing okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
my son and grandson have gone into that.
Have they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because especially with Trump making announcements, different amounts, and the markets jumped up one day, next minute they're down. It all depends on what he's going to do.
That's right. That's right.
So if you listen to what Trump
said, it was quite a downturn. One day last week.
It was up to over 5,000. It's gone down up to nearly 4,000.
Yeah.
It's creeping back up again.
Yes, so, that'll come up.
Yeah. So that's what my week's been like. And the weather's going to be next week, so probably go out a bit more.
Yes, sure.
What about you? What are you planning to do?
Get my computer up and running properly.
It seems to be running okay because we're chatting online.
Yeah, the computer is okay. It's just when we're doing these podcasts and then I go to edit, I'm having an awful lot of problem.
Oh dear.
So I'm just working through with their support at the moment and trying to get it so that it's a little slicker and it works.
Okay.
At the moment, we've lots of blank screen and white patches and black patches and all sorts of things are going on. So.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. So, no help from support?
The support comes back to me. I've got to say that. But unfortunately, I find this with a lot of companies. When you're talking about computer stuff, they keep saying, use the Windows browser. No, Windows is not a browser. Windows is a program. It's a system.
Yeah.
the same as Mac and the same as Ubuntu. And because I'm on Ubuntu, Linux that is, Linux Ubuntu, because I'm on that, every single support ticket that I've put in says use Windows. Hello, I haven't got Windows. I use Ubuntu.
Yeah. It used to work properly before on Linux anyway.
It works
Didn't it?
absolutely fine. It's
Yeah.
far better. It's a lot quicker than Windows and Mac. Not that I've had a Mac, but it's just ridiculous. The browser is Chrome. Windows is a system.
Yeah, the browser is called Edge, isn't it? Windows browser.
Yeah, well, Edge. Edge is the browser,
Yeah.
not Windows.
Not Windows. You're right, exactly. Windows is just an operating system like it always has been.
That's right. And they keep saying, I'm using the wrong operating system. Hello? Because they call it a browser. It's not a browser.
So the support team is not technically minded somehow.
No. I think all they do is, and I'm sure a lot of the replies I've been getting, because they've been going backwards and forwards all week. I've got quite a list. And every time that comes back, I get a different person each time. No one person is following it through. So they all say the same thing. So I know it's coming off AI.
Yeah.
And not real people.
No, I mean, I get the same every time I go into my bank account. I get this thing coming. I'm with the NatWest. I get this thing called Quora.
Oh, yes.
Oh, do you want to ask Quora a question? I say, you put a cherry, you just generic answer. And in the end, I keep on putting silly remarks. Then they put me to an agent. You see, they have to, because they can't understand when we put a silly remark in, because they're not. The chatbot is not trained to answer those silly remarks. Really,
absolutely. Yeah, I do the same. I buck the system as well. Yeah.
So,
try and get a human.
Yeah, the support systems in a lot of things nowadays, it's all either automatic voicemails and press 1, press 10, press 15. I mean, how many numbers you got to press before you can actually speak to somebody?
I know. Getting through to a bank is absolute nightmare.
No. I tried to renew my car insurance. What's happened? I was with Sainsbury's car insurance. It's been now taken over by LV. But my insurance due next month, so I should have my documents at least 30 days before, so I can check. And I've received them this morning, and they change everything. Some of the covers change, everything changed. I've got to try and phone them on Monday. Can't do anything over the weekend to find out what exactly I'm covered for and what. Yeah. Luckily, the premium hasn't gone up much, which I'm happy about.
Oh, that's lucky.
Yeah, so virtually stay the same, which is good. I mean, I was with Saga a few years back, and I used to pay about £300, £400 for my BMW. And suddenly, 2 years ago, they put it up to about £700.
Yes, I know. It just flies up, doesn't it?
Yeah, and I don't know how they can warrant it. I mean, my car is usually in a garage overnight and during the day. I hardly use mileage on it. So how can they warrant such a high premium?
I know. It's a nightmare. Total nightmare now.
I think we're paying for people, so many people who are not insured and they're driving on the roads.
Yes.
That we're paying for them, I reckon.
There's loads of them.
Yeah. So, yeah, there's a bug-bag insurance, but we have to have it. It's necessity, isn't it?
That's right, yes.
Home insurance, life insurance, what do you call it, car breakdown, whatever. It's needed, isn't it?
Yeah. No, well, I have no life insurance. I got done over years ago with a life insurance thing.
No, because I used to pay, but once I retired, I backed that up, you see. And another thing is medical insurance.
Oh, don't tell me.
That is astronomical. Astronomical.
It's terrible. We've had a medical one for, oh my God, it's got to be over 10, 12 years. Same people. Well, they changed hands, but the same policy. Yeah. And we took out dental cover, and for the odd, we'll say extraction or filling or whatever, it's been okay, and it
Yeah.
comes under this dental cover. And I've just had to have a whole load of work done on my jaw,
Yeah.
which was not a normal dental thing.
Uh-huh.
It's a medical thing, but they won't put it under medical because it's teeth and because it's being done in a specific surgery.
Oh,
And although they're specialists, I mean, it's not like a normal dentist.
yeah.
They're specialists. I'm
Yeah.
paying specialist prices, and they won't pay. They wouldn't pay, and they said no. Well, they refunded £750
Okay.
over the first beginnings of it. And then they said, no, that's your annual allowance, and that's it. What? But this is surgical, this is not dental. But it is dental, according to them, because it's being done at a specialist
Yeah.
dentist. So I've stopped the policy. I told them where to
They
stop.
don't. Yeah, they don't tell you from beginning what exactly is covered, do they? They
No,
take your
because
money
it should be
quickly.
under medical.
Yeah, they take your money quickly.
Mm,
Yeah.
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 So I
But
have no insurance whatsoever. No, nothing.
okay. Now I've had medical insurance since I started my pharmacy in 1982. I went through. We used to get through the National Pharmaceutical Association, really good policy. But now that I've retired, not on a pharmacy, I've got to go privately. But I use the same broker, so he always gets us a good deal and covers it. But every time you have to put our excess up to keep the policy premiums down.
Yes, that's right.
So it's plus and minuses. But I think it's necessary evil because a friend of mine was about to cancel his policy and decided not to, and he had to go for heart surgery.
Mhm.
And luckily, he had the insurance, and he didn't cancel it, so that got paid. You see,
Yes,
so it makes you think. Sometimes you have to keep on paying them, I reckon. But
yeah.
come in an age when I have to stop paying, because end of the day, and you get such an age, do you actually need medical insurance? You're going to go anyway, aren't we? All of us.
That's right. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes.
So that's a morbid topic. Anyway, should we go on the positive side?
That's a fun talk, actually.
Okay. What else? What else? You got any plans for next week, or just computer work?
But it's going to be sorting out these problems. Yeah.
Okay. Must take a lot of your time.
Yes. What I think I will do, though, is I've got one or two things that are editing programs, but they
Okay.
actually do only run on Windows. They are Windows based, which is a
Okay.
completely different subject to what I'm talking with these guys about.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to get another computer and I'll rig that up and do my editing through these particular programs that I've
Okay.
got, which are really good. Like DaVinci, that will run on Ubuntu, but it doesn't run very well on Ubuntu.
Okay.
So, but then I can make our podcast look even better.
Be nice. Very nice. Look forward to it. Yeah. Yeah, our podcasts are going okay. We've done about 50 plus now. It must be 53rd or 54th, I reckon.
Yeah, 55, I think this one is.
Is it? Crumbs. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. It's a
Yeah.
year, more than a year's worth.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah. I'm probably going to be missing 1 or 2 weeks in June.
Yeah.
End of June, possibly. I'm not sure. June, last week in June, I got a Macmillan. You go to Macmillan Carrying locally hospice nearby us. It's not the Macmillan National, and they do summer fat, and that's like so. We could volunteer help them set it all up and everything on Saturday
excellent.
morning. I think it's Wednesday the Saturday the 27th.
Okay.
There was summer fat, so I probably won't be able to. So I'll let you know near the time anyway.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we done it. That's a quite good chat. I enjoyed that.
Good.
Well, good. Okay, I'll say bye for now.
Okay, and it's bye from me too. Have a good week.
And you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.